How to play a video while using another app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can play a certain video while using another app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, playing a certain video while using another app depends upon the app that you're trying to play the video from. Let's say it is YouTube, for example. You open up YouTube, and even while minimizing this, you want this video to be playing while also using other applications in the process here, as you can see. Now, in this case, for the case of YouTube, let's say you need to have a YouTube premium account in order to watch in picture mode. If you don't have a premium account, then you will not be able to watch in picture mode like this. Now, some of the other things include, let's say you're talking about an offline video. Now, for offline video also, it depends upon which video player you're using. Some of the video players such as VLC Media Player, MX Player, they already support these type of features by default, even on the free version, where you can actually minimize the video in picture mode and use other apps. But as I said, it really depends upon the app. So I want you to go ahead and simply look for the settings inside of the app that you're using and from which app you're trying to play the video and minimize the video as well. So hope this video helped you as to how you can play a video while using another app. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.